couple scenarios, okay? First one we're gonna do, we hear a noise, and we're not sure what we're gonna see. We're not sure what we're gonna see behind us.
Okay.
All right, we hear a noise, and we're not sure what we're gonna see behind.
Oh. Again. Too easy. That was too easy. Go again.
But this one is we hear a noise, and it turns out to be nothing.
Okay.
Okay.
Nothing.
Nothing. Yes. All right, last one.